Let's go run a mile for the first time, I think, ever. I just randomly decided that I want to run a mile. I was thinking about the last time I actually ran a mile, and I don't think I ever have. So, okay, growing up, I grew up, you know, kind of overweight, kind of chubby. I wasn't super active. I played volleyball a little bit. Like in middle school, before I started sports, I just like hated to exercise. I hated working out. I hated all of that stuff. So in gym, you know, you always have to do like the mile test and like burpee tests and like all those like tests for some weird national board or something. I have no idea why we were tested on like our sit and reach, but I always lied. I always just did 3 laps instead of 4. My gym teacher knew. If you're watching this, Mr. Rees, I know you knew, and it's okay. I've never ran a mile, but today I wanted to, and I don't care what the mile time is. I feel like the only reason why I never finished was because back then, like when you're young, like your mile time is like part of your popularity status, and I just like was terrified that I couldn't run a mile. I'm running a mile today, but I did realize I have no idea how to run. So I've done like a little bit of like a jog in the gym, you know, just like a little jog, but like only for maybe 20 seconds, and then I stopped. I'm like, whoa, I forgot I don't know how to run. Let's stop. So I went on YouTube and I typed in how to run. I think I might be able to do it. And you know, I think the rest is kind of trial and error. I don't know how to dress like how to run. So I just put on like a crew neck because I think I'm gonna be hot, but it's kind of cold here in Vegas today. Finally, it's like 60 degrees, so it's actually pretty cold. And then just some leggings. I'm not gonna bring water with me because I don't want to carry a bunch of stuff. I never got to have water when I was in middle school when I ran, so I think I'll be okay this time. Maybe I'll just try to drink some water before. I'm a little nervous. I feel like I'm gonna look really bad running. And I feel like that. I'm just nervous that I'm gonna look really silly running, or like people are gonna make fun of me, but I doubt someone's gonna be sitting at their window and be like, dang, I bet that's the first time that girl's ever ran. Monkey bar situation and like stretch my back out a little bit. I'm in like a park area. I just wanted to stretch before I started running. I stretched my back a little bit and I'm gonna stretch my legs. Okay guys, time to run. I kind of wish I brought water. I'm just nervous a little bit just because I feel like I know the results are gonna be bad, but that's okay. I'm just really curious to know because you have to like try. You have to try like one time. No matter what the result is, like you can always work toward changing that. Let's go run a mile for the first time, I think, ever. Started my run. Let's go, guys. So far, I feel okay. My legs are already tired, for sure. But I have no idea how long I've run. So let's keep going. Well guys, I can run for 1 minute and 15 seconds without stopping. It's figured out. But I'm gonna keep going. I'm trying to run a mile. Well, I'm not trying to, I'm going to. Let's keep going. I'm 4 minutes and 9 seconds in and 0.2 miles in. So like a quarter of the way. It's raining, but it feels really nice. I'm just taking a break. I really wish I had water, But that's okay. It's actually really pretty outside. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Oh my god, I just made it halfway. A little over halfway. We're at 10 minutes, guys. My mile time. It's definitely gonna be over 20 minutes, but I don't care. I'm still doing it. I don't care how bad it is. All I care is that I finish it, and I do it. And I get the answer so I can change it. I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. Oh, this is really good lighting. I'm at 0.93. I want to finish out strong. I think I will. Let's go. I did it. I ran a mile. 1 mile. 1 mile, guys. Wow. I'm really tired. That was hard. Oh gosh. Wow. I'm just like, I'm honestly like proud of myself. I just did that at like 5 o'clock on a Thursday. Here to remind you, here to encourage you to do something, or just try to do something that you have always told yourself you can't do. Because mine has always been, I can't run. I just don't run, I'm not a runner. Well, you're not born anything, you're born a human being full of opportunities. You just have to make the decision to try and start. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I freaking did it. Oh, my mile time. I screenshotted it because I didn't know how to work the app. Okay, so my mile time was right under 20 minutes. It was 19 minutes and 59 seconds. That's a start, right? That's a start, an honest start. That was fun. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you're gonna try to do. I want you guys to comment down below one thing that you're gonna try to do, one thing you're going to try your best at, give it your best shot, really give it your all, and then I want you to tell me how it goes, because you're gonna surprise yourself. You will. I believe in you, and I'll see you guys next time.